Alright, supplies I'll be using are these Kuretake Gem Colors. They're the metallic, and there's like a red, pink, a yellowy gold, green, blue, and purple. I'm using one of these little test paper pads that I got. This is the Stonehenge Aqua Coldpress in black. And I'm using a Princeton Neptune round size 4. Use whatever small round brush you have. I'm going to flip it around this way, and I just like practicing some of these little fireworks. So why don't you follow along with me, and I'll show you how you can paint some fun little metallic fireworks. I'm just going to go through each of the colors and just make a little firework with each one. Do a little rainbow fireworks here. I will note with these, it seems like you have to add a lot of water to get them going. You have to keep rubbing them quite a bit. Alright, to do the firework shape, it's best to, when you're starting out, and to just make a dot for your center and then build around that center. And just sweep up from the center and then curve your strokes out, and then as you make your way to the bottom, you can have that one, the center points be straight, and then curve out from there. Okay, so that's one little style of firework. All right, let's do the next color. So this one, I think I'll do more of the little dot one. And I'll just kind of put that right next to it. So just kind of going around little dots and form a circle. Just kind of make them random. There we go. Let's go to the next color, do the yellow gold. And this one I'll have a little spray coming up from the bottom. Okay. And then we'll do green firework. I'll do another one like that first, the red one. So dot in my center, up, and then sweeping out from center at a curved angle. And then change your curve angle when you get to the other side. Okay, and do the blue. And I think I'll do just another one of these type of dot ones. Just go right here. Just doing random dots in a circle shape. There we go. And then I'll do a purple one, and I'll just put that up here. And up, curving out from the center. There we go. You could do some fun variations with whatever metallic watercolors you have. I had just gotten these little black watercolor sample sheets not that long ago, and I kind of forgot about them, so it's kind of fun to try out a new material.